Scene 3. The bath time battle for Rob.
I'm hiding behind a pile of dirty socks. My hair is messy, flies are buzzing, and green stink clouds float around me. Mum said I need to take a shower, but a bath? Me? Never. Water is my enemy. Rob and shower can never go together.
Yes, good boy, don't take a bath. We're germs, and we love to hide on your dirty body. We make your socks smell like cheese, and your hair feel like sticky spaghetti noodles. The dirtier, the better for us. We can throw germy parties in your armpits and dance on your toes and body. Wow, hooray! If you take a bath, we'll be forced to run away like scared little puddles. So, yes buddy, let's stay smelly forever.
Hello, Rob. I am back. You left me with no choice. You need to take a bath now. Your body smells. Oh boy.
Why me again, Superman? I don't like to shower, and water is not for me when it comes to taking a bath. Can I go swimming instead?
No more excuses, please. Are you going now, or should I use my super paw to take you to the bathroom?
Okay, please be gentle with me. But why do you think taking a bath is important? What do you like about being clean so much? Don't you think I have other toys to play with and many other activities to do? I am done.
Well, imagine if you were a superhero, which you totally are, by the way. But instead of saving the world, you are fighting stinky germs and sticky dirt monsters. Taking a bath is like putting on your superhero suit. When you're clean, you smell like a fresh cookie, not like a sweaty sock in a locker. And guess what? Dirt and germs don't like clean bodies. They see the soap and say, "Oh no, here comes the water and bubbles. Time to run away." Plus, you'll feel like a shiny robot who's ready to play with full energy. So, when you're clean, you can do things like jumping on the trampoline without looking like you've just rolled in mud. So, in short, bathing is super important because it helps you stay fresh, healthy, and happy. Bathing washes away all the sneaky, stinky germs that try to hide on your body after playing outside, eating snacks, or just being active. It's like saying goodbye to germs and hello to being clean. As I mentioned before, you'll smell like a flower after a bath. Don't you like that? That's the magic of soap working its wonders. It's like you're a walking bouquet of flowers, not a pile of stinky socks with filthy germs. Not to forget, happy skin, happy you. When you bathe, you're taking care of your skin. No dirt or sweat, just soft, smooth skin that's ready for hugs and high fives. Finally, superhero powers. Bathing is like putting on your super clean cover that makes you feel invincible. You'll be ready for any adventure, from running around the yard to conquering your toys. So, without delay, get in the tub, scrub up, and feel like a clean superhero ready to take on the world now. It's time to take a bath. I'll wait outside until you're done.
I am so confused. These water and taking bath, I can't stand it. Well, I have to do it at least to make Superman happy. Oh, please, somebody help. Mamma mia, I can't believe this is me in the bathtub.
How are you feeling now?
It's happening. I'm clean. Hey, I smell like fresh laundry. I like it. I was feeling lazy before, and now after the shower, I feel like I can run up and down 100 times. Yay! Oh, that was very convincing, Superman. I am learning so much today. From now on, Rob and water in the shower are friends. No more excuses. Thank you again. I'm now fresh, with shiny teeth, clean hands, and a bright outfit. I feel like I am a little Superman too. Woohoo!
Look in the mirror. You look dashing. I'm proud of you. Thank you for listening. Now, remind yourself, what will you do to stay clean?
I will wash my hands whenever I play, touch dirty things, or whenever needed. I will brush my teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. And I'll also take a bath every day to keep my body clean and smelling like a flower.
Yes, that's like my boy. Also, remember the song. Wash your hands, scrub a dub. Brush your teeth, no more grub. Take a bath. Smells so sweet. Stay clean from head to feet.
Cool. You're my Superman. Okay, I admit it. Being clean is actually a great fun. It's the way to be active, smart, healthy, and confident. I'm loving it so much for teaching me on hygiene. This is very important for not only for me. You guys need to keep in mind too. Wait, did I touch the screen? So, I have to wash my hands now. Bye guys.